Mastering the Art of Lip Syncing, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss: lip sync. You might have heard this phrase before, especially in the context of music and performance. But do you know what it actually means? Well, fear not. Today, we are going to break it down for you, explain its meaning, and show you how it's used in sentences. So, let's get started. Lip sync is a shortened form of lip synchronization. It's a practice where a person moves their lips to match a pre-recorded singing or speaking voice, making it appear as if they are performing live. This is commonly done in the entertainment industry, particularly during live performances, music videos, and films. Example: imagine a singer performing on stage. Instead of singing live, they move their lips to a pre-recorded version of their song. The audience might think the performance is live, but in reality, the singer is lip syncing. People might lip sync for a variety of reasons. Here are some of them. 1. Vocal rest. Sometimes, singers need to give their vocal cords a break, especially during lengthy tours. 2. Technical issues. There might be technical difficulties that make live singing challenging. 3. Perfect performance. Artists aim for perfection, and lip syncing can help maintain a flawless appearance. 4. Dance routines. Intense dance routines might make singing live difficult, so performers opt to lip sync. Now, let's see how we can use lip sync in sentences. 1. The pop star decided to lip sync during her concert to save her voice for the upcoming shows. 2. Fans were disappointed when they realized their favorite singer was lip syncing instead of performing live. 3. The actor had to lip sync his lines because the original audio was not clear. And that's a wrap on lip sync. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means and how it's used in different contexts. Remember, lip syncing is a common practice in the entertainment industry, and now you know exactly what to look out for. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, keep practicing your English and stay tuned for more learning content. See you next time.